And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
There's still a few little showers out there. You see we had a couple thunderstorms here and there just a little bit earlier. You see them there. And mainly up here in Benton, White, Northern Carroll, Cass County. They're pretty light and brief, and not all this is actually reaching the ground. Some of this is actually virga or precip that's drying up on the way down because some of these showers are actually rooted above this warm dry layer. We've got about 12,000 feet up. That's the cap. That's that warm air that's coming from that extreme heat wave that's down in southern Illinois right now and riding up and over our 80s we've got here near the ground. There's a little shower near Grissom Air Reserve Base and perhaps a sprinkle here near Logansport. So a shower or two, then brief patchy fog in places, followed by some showers and storms developing late tonight as we get rid of this cap. And tomorrow, after some shower storms in the morning with isolated severe weather risk, bigger severe weather risk late in the day. We're talking late afternoon and into the evening. It's a slight to enhanced risk for a good chunk of the area. So that is a 2 out of 3, or 2 or 3 out of 5 on the scale. Main threats: wind. Can't rule out some hail, brief weak tornado spin up, and there's going to be some locally heavy rainfall that comes out of this as well. Sunday, periods of showers and storms. The severe weather risk is mainly in the PM. We're talking late afternoon and into the evening. It's a marginal to slight. You see a 1 or 2 out of 5 on the scale. Main threat would be wind and lesser hail, brief weak tornado. And some flooding risk too, at least some flash flooding due to some pretty intense downpours that will be possible. So we look ahead through the evening, things improving, any shower pulls away. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. Finally, by 5 a.m. and right through 6 and 7, you see some showers and thunderstorms developing. This is 9. Maybe an isolated severe storm in the morning. Then those pull away. We actually get the sun out and it gets quite muggy and oppressive tomorrow afternoon, and new storms will begin to fire at that point. This is 5:30. We've got kind of supercells and multi-cells kind of blowing up here, and then eventually we're going to form kind of a main line that will move eastward through the evening. You see that right here. Note the timestamp here, 9 or 10 for that main line, and then some rain to follow behind that, and some of that lingers into Sunday morning, then a break, and then more showers and storms Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. A few scattered storms Monday, and then perhaps an isolated storm on the 4th of July. You see those right there, and then better chances of more storm action Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So tomorrow's an 86 to 91 degree day. Again, but look at the heat indices peaking in the upper 90s around here. And some places could even get a little above 100 degrees during the afternoon with highs at 86 to 91 you see right there on our map. And finally on Sunday, near 80 to the mid 80s with periods of showers and storms around and winds out of the southwest. All right, 7-day outlook, 10-day outlook for precip. Real quick here, I had to show you this graphic because over the next 10 days, look what the data is cranking out. How about 2 to as much as 6 inches of total rainfall that we are going to soak up around here. 4th of July, 86, maybe an isolated storm or 2. Better rainfall chances later next week. Temperature is not totally out of control, but it will be muggy over the next 7 to 10 days, and it starts to dry out a week from this weekend.